Okay, this is okay, guys. This is a step-by-step video on how to create Exness account. Okay, so if you click on the link I sent to you, okay, and then you will see this all displayed on the screen. Okay, then this is for signing with your details. Then this one is for create account. So when you click on create account, they will ask you for your country or whichever country you are residing. You select your country, the email. So I have a couple of emails here. So I'll just use this one. Then your password, I'll just put in my password and declare blah blah blah. Just click on continue. Then partner code, if you have that, you can put it there. Then click on continue. Okay. Yeah. So this is the members area, as you can see. So hello, fill your account details to make your first deposit. The first thing you need to do, sorry, this is getting too much notification. Sorry. The first thing you need to do, and also with Exness, you can actually open multiple accounts with different emails. They allow that, and you can use the same document to do the same verification. They allow that. So the first thing you need to do, let me explain to you about all of this. Now you have so many things. You have my account. This my account is where you will see the account here. So by default, they will create a new real account for you, a standard MT5 account for you. Okay. Now, this is your account information. Okay, we will come to that. But the first thing you need to do is to complete your profile. So you click on complete profile here. You say, okay, then you have to have either your driver license. First of all, you have to confirm your email and then confirm your phone number, add your profile information. Okay. So once you do that, they will send you OTP, and then if you take some minutes, you put the code and then on all that. So you have to confirm your information then, and every other time before you make your withdrawal, you have to confirm your you need to have a utility bill, or you have either your passport or your driver license or your national ID card. Any of them can work. Just have those information to verify your account. So you verify your account, you complete your profile here. Then for the trading account, by default, they'll create a new real account for you, MT5 account for you. Now, this is where you can deposit. Now, for deposit, they have different deposit option. Okay, depending when you have verified your account, you can see that all of these ones are not available because you have not verified your account. You can't make deposits. So you have to first of all verify your account, complete your account profile before you can make deposits. So that's the first thing you need to do, complete your profile. Just follow the step by step. It's very easy. Click on it. If you click on it, you confirm your email, confirm your phone number, add your profile information, your address, and every other thing is that simple. So once you're done with that, you can now make deposit through bank card or through online bank transfer. Or you can, if you have crypto, you can use cryptocurrency to fund your accounts here. Okay. Then the next thing you need to do is to withdraw. Of course, is very simple. You click on withdraw, you select a withdrawal method, then you have your MT5 login details. Now, this is the server, this is the login ID, and your password. You can now change your password. Now, if you click here, you'll be able to see details of the account. You can be able to change your you click on account information, you see everything that is given to you here. Then you can still create new real accounts. You can click here to open new accounts. If you click here, you have different accounts options you can actually create. You have standard accounts and all that. So all of them depends on the deposit amount. Like standard account, minimum deposit is $10. Pro account, minimum deposit is $500. This is for people that want instant execution and all of that. And then also when you start to trade with Exness, if you get to a point, they will start giving you unlimited leverage. But when you are starting out, your leverage could be, you can change your change your leverage to one is to 2,000. Okay. Value depending on various conditions, definitely, of course. So you click on that, you click on confirm and all that. Now to log into your MT5, what you will do is that if you come up to this place that have a question mark Okay, click on it. You will see MT5, MetaTrader 5. Okay, if you click on that MetaTrader 5, you'll be able to download their MetaTrader 5. Okay, you'll be able to download their MetaTrader 5. Just click on Meta Download. So once you download it and install it on your laptop, then you now use your login details here to put on your MT5. Then you'll be able to log into your trading account. It is that simple. So that is all about creating an account with Exness. It is that simple. So the first thing you need to do, make sure if you complete your profile, verify your information and all that, then you can start trading. So this is how you can download MT5 and then you now use your login details to access the account. It's that simple. So if you have any questions or any issues, there are other things here, but for the time being, these are the ones that you definitely need. You don't need any other thing. So this is just your account balance stating here. They have demo accounts. You can start with demo accounts. Also for demo accounts, you have your login details as well. You have your information here. So this is all about how to create accounts with SNS. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you guys.